My name is Sachin. Good morning. I'm from California, USA, and I just wanted to share my experience with healing hands and especially the amazing doctors here. First of all, I'll start with Dr. Ashwin Porwal. There are many testimonials about him, but I got a chance to experience under his care. I was suffering through an anorectal condition. Anorectal conditions are debilitating, and those who suffer through it know what I'm speaking about. And so I was suffering through one. I came to know about healing hands through some references. I connected with Dr. Ashwin Porwal. He was very kind to explain me what's actually going on, and he did the needed procedure on me. And then obviously what I was very happy with is also not only the procedure but also the aftercare, because every week he used to personally see me and take care of the wound care and everything else. Also, I would like to thank the amazing team at Healing Hands, starting with Dr. Samiksha, Dr. Leena, Dr. Snehal, Dr. Farhan, Dr. Gandhi. They have an amazing team who works round the clock and are always available to you at a phone call. And so without their support, this cycle wouldn't have been completed. I feel good today. The weekly care was amazing. Again, I would like to really thank Dr. Ashwin Porwal. And I would like to mention about one thing is that these conditions can be treated in multiple ways. But I think Healing Hands, and especially Dr. Porwal, chooses the methods that are least interfering with the functions of the sphincter and everything else. So you're not only getting a great treatment, but you're also not getting a lot of side effects from the surgeries and everything. So I think overall treatment, overall care was amazing. Thank you so much, Dr. Porwal. I really appreciate your support, and I feel good today. But thank you so much. Really appreciate it.
I am very happy for you. My sister from California. I want to see the magician. He's the magician. So kind of you. We are going to have a small. Nice cake.
Congratulations.